Right, so you've probably clicked in this video if you're either thinking about buying this Canon M100 camera, or you've already bought it and you want to know if what you've bought is actually good. So in this video I'm going to go through the good things and the bad things about this camera. Let's get into it. I don't have an intro, so let's actually just get into it. Right, so the first thing I want to go through is you're probably going to buy this camera if you're either a photographer or a vlogger, or you literally just want to make YouTube videos like me. So the first person I'm going to go through is a vlogger. This camera is amazing for people that want to be vloggers because it's got, I don't know if you can see this, but it's got a tripod mount. So you get your tripod and then you attach it to that, and then you've got it like this so you can video yourself. But the best part about this camera for vloggers is that the screen flips up like that, so it literally flips from there all the way back up really easily, and it means that you can now see yourself. I don't know if you can see this, but you can now see yourself, the picture in the screen. You can now see what you're doing as you video it. It also has amazing audio focus. It also has amazing autofocus, so you actually just have to click you can't see it right now because I'm not got it on, but I'll probably have it on in this video. So then you click it like this, and then pretty much it's always in focus. It's amazing. I love this camera. However, the one thing that's not the best about this camera is the mic. It doesn't have a mic jack, so it means that you can't put your own microphone on, so you have to use what they've got in the camera, which isn't that bad. I'll show you a video of me using it right now. Okay guys, so this is the audio when you're vlogging. It's pretty good, to be honest, and this is what the autofocus is like. So as you can see, I'm spinning around and it's focused on me, so it's really good. The camera quality is fantastic, so back into the video. So yeah, you've probably seen that. I didn't think it was that bad. I thought it was really good. I love this camera though. So the next thing we're going to get into is photography. Let's go. Right, so for the people that are going to use this camera for photography, it's a great camera for photography. The image quality is so crisp, and the zoom is so easy to use. You literally just go like that. It's so good. It's not that one where you have to like flick a switch and it does automatically. You're in charge of what you want to do, so you can get that very precise. But the one thing that people say isn't the best is that it's hard to hold. But I don't really see this. I've had this for like a year, 2 years now, and I think it's fantastic to hold. You can hold like that, like this, anywhere you want, and to be honest, it's really easy, I find. But I'm not a photographer, I'm a vlogger, so that's the only bad thing about it. But the quality in the image is fantastic. So the next thing we're going to get on to is how easy it is to pack. So the camera is so easy to pack. As you can see, it is so thin. I don't know what I can compare it to. A pencil. So we've got a pencil. Easy, very thin. So it's very thin. Also, to pack it away, you just click on this button and then you twist. So you click there and you twist, and then that's in 2 separate parts. You can put both parts in your suitcase and it won't get hurt, and it's so easy. So how easy is this camera to use? It is so easy to use. I was not experienced with cameras. I bought this one for my YouTube so I could get good quality. I wasn't very good with cameras, but you can literally just turn it on, fiddle with a few settings, and then it's away it goes. You can use the preset settings, which is amazing as well. But if you're one of those people that likes to use your own manual settings, you can do that as well, and it's so easy. With the touch screen, I'll show that somewhere in your video. The touch screen, which is amazing, it's so easy to use. And also an amazing part to this camera is there's a Wi-Fi button right here. Don't know if you can see it. Right there. So you literally click that button. I'll do that again. See, right there. So you literally click that button, connect it to your phone, your laptop, anything you want, and then it just transfers the videos or the pictures to your iPhone, and you can show your mates, and it's really easy to do. So now you're probably thinking, this camera is amazing. How much is it though? That's the best part about it. It isn't expensive at all. It's not £1,000. It's literally 300 and something pounds. 300 to 400 pounds. I'll put the price on the thing right now. It's so cheap for what it is. It's pretty much as good as any other camera, and then the price is amazing. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you some videos of the camera in action. So some vlogging videos, some, I don't know, just pictures, cool stuff, and then that'll be us. Please remember to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. I'm going to start doing reviews because I love reviewing stuff. I buy so many products, so I should probably start reviewing them. So have a great day guys, I hope you enjoy the videos. If you want to pick up this camera, the link is in the description below. Click that and then press buy. Have a great day guys.